Welcome to our video on the possibility of head transplantation. This is a topic that has been the subject of much debate and speculation, but is it really possible? In this video, we will explore the challenges and opportunities associated with head transplantation. Head transplantation is a highly experimental procedure that involves transferring a person's head onto another body. This raises many ethical and technical questions, making the procedure a complex and controversial area of study. One of the primary challenges with head transplantation is the need to reconnect the spinal cord. The spinal cord is the main pathway of communication between the brain and the rest of the body, and any damage to it can result in paralysis or even death. Reconnecting the spinal cord after a head transplant is a complex and delicate procedure that has not yet been successfully achieved. In addition to the challenges associated with reconnecting the spinal cord, there are also other technical issues that need to be addressed. For example, there is the issue of immune rejection, where the body's immune system attacks the transplanted tissue. To prevent this, the patient would need to take immunosuppressive drugs for the rest of their life, which can have serious side effects. Despite these challenges, there have been some experimental attempts at head transplantation on animals, such as dogs and monkeys. In 1970, a team of researchers led by Dr. Robert White successfully transplanted the head of one monkey onto the body of another. The monkey was able to breathe and move its head, but it was unable to move its body. However, the experiment has been criticized for its ethical implications and the small sample size. More recently, in 2017, a team of Chinese researchers led by Dr. Xiaoping Ren claimed to have successfully transplanted a mouse's head onto another mouse's body. The mice were able to survive for a short time, but the procedure has not been independently verified or replicated. In conclusion, head transplantation is still considered a highly experimental procedure and has not been attempted on humans. While there have been some promising results in animal studies, the procedure is still in the very early stages of research, and more work is needed before it can be considered a viable option for humans. In the meantime, the medical community is focused on developing new treatments and technologies that can improve the quality of life for people who have suffered spinal cord injuries or other forms of paralysis. These include techniques such as electrical stimulation, stem cell therapy, and brain-computer interfaces, which have shown promising results in clinical trials. While the idea of head transplantation may capture the imagination of the public, it is important to remember that there are many other avenues of research that are more likely to lead to tangible benefits for patients.